Today, we head out to Meihan. It's been a little while since our last visit to Meihan, so we decided to change that as we rendezvous with our homies Ryota and Tomoya of the Thrash family. Both here for two different reasons, both here with relatively the same goal: have fun and prepare for the future. Which futures those are, I guess you'll just have to watch the video to find out. So welcome to another video of Thrash, and we hope you guys enjoy this one. It seems like no matter what I do, I cannot get away from noise, but here we are, finally made it to Meihan Sportsland. It's been quite a while. I don't think I've personally been here since like Kansai All-Stars of last year, which Kansai All-Stars is next month, so that already gives you an idea how long it's been. Yes, it's gonna be fun. We're just gonna be hanging out, chilling, having a grand old time, and seeing some goddamn drifting. This time we leave behind the S13 and S14 to be spectators at an event hosted by Daisuke Nakamura of Garage Monpower, which for us was a little blast from the past due to some Thrash racing lore, as this Nakamura was teammates with one of the original Thrash racing drivers back in the days of Team Night Zone, and his teammate was none other than Utsumi Akinori many moons ago. Doesn't ring a bell? If you recognize this car, or even that car, at the very least, you know of Akinori-san.
Oh shit, is that a Thrash seat?
You know, in like the Wizard of Oz, you got the yellow brick road. At Meihan, you got the suspect tunnel. As we arrived, the guys had just got their warm-up laps in for the day, and Tomoya had a explosive surprise that he wanted to show us that happened right out of the gate.
What happened?
Yeah.
This time.
This time? What happened?
I don't think that's the right wave reduction you want.
Yeah.
How do you do these things?
Yeah.
How? It's special talent. The gods know he came from Kanto, so they always say, okay, you coming from Kanto, I have to do one thing. Welcome to Kansai.
Kansai attack.
Yes.
Right as I finally made myself comfortable at the track, Ryota and Tomoya were preparing for their next session, and I would get the invite to ride along with Ryota in the passenger seat yet again. So we're about to go out with Ryota. I don't know if I've been on Meihan before, now that I think about it. Damn. So first time at Meihan. First time at Meihan with crazy ass Ryota, so it's gonna be, I mean, Ryota can't drive bad. He never can, so it's gonna be a good time.
Let's get into it.
Yeah.
Backwards?
I feel very backwards. Ryota's first one was so backwards I saw yesterday. 3 digits is never good.
today your driving looks more aggressive, more hageshi.
Especially when I was riding with Ryota.
This evening, I do more.
More. The more the day goes on, the more aggressive he's gonna get because then he can just put the car on the truck and go home.
Is there anything different from last time for this car?
Last time we used my car. Hard hit.
Yeah. What happened?
This chassis is a brand new one, but already broken.
Not that car under the cover, right?
So tell us about this.
Oh, secret, sorry.
Secret car.
I didn't say anything.
Is that the motor that you were building when we were at your house?
Yeah.
The motor.
Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, both of these drivers are going to be using this event for two different reasons. Ryota actually qualified for Kansai All-Stars 2025, and this was going to be his practice day before said event. So you're going to be driving, so you qualified for All-Stars already?
Yeah, like other Osaka qualifier. I qualified fourth, and Kansai All-Star is next month.
Are you ready?
Kinda. I think it's gonna be like today is my last practice day
Oh, before the
till
event?
the event.
Okay.
Yeah.
The judging criteria has apparently been changed a little bit this year, so he needed to make some adjustments to his line while keeping his personal touch. Tomoya, on the other hand, is using this day to get accustomed to a more aggressive track that requires more aggressive driving, to prepare for Super D 2025, as Tomoya and Fukuda will be returning to the US yet again. Which also means you can expect coverage from Super D 2025.
My style is like clutch kicks, but long, quick. Long, quick. I want to do the little feint flick.
Yeah.
Ryota's driving is like
Yeah, your technique changed a lot. Especially from my event even, you following Brandon or somebody and you, moikiri style.
yes.
Yeah.
We have a super D event. It's okay.
Yeah, of course, okay.
So I want to drive with Team Animal Style, and
She's garage.
she's Garage. So I train here
Yeah.
just for it.
Yeah, this is probably the best place to get that aggressive, heavy.
So it takes about 10 hours from my house to here, but no problem.
Yeah, it's worth it.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
Yes.
of our Japanese homies, our good friend Lucky from NorCal was in Japan and found himself here at this very event. You out here in Japan?
Yeah.
So what made you come out to Meihan? What made you came out to Japan?
Dude, so, okay, me and Jalia, we never had like a proper like honeymoon.
Yeah.
So finally in 2025, we decided to take one. I didn't plan on doing any like car stuff at all, right?
Yeah. Which every car guy says.
I really didn't. I had no plans. And then I hit up Ryota to like chill, see if we wanted to eat. And then he was just like, oh, also I'm going to Meihan on Tuesday. Like, do you want to go? Of course, me. Babe, can we go? Meihan, please? I know we weren't supposed to.
Please explain the situation you got yourself.
Yeah, exactly, right? But, you know, we were able to come out and yeah, it was sick.
And then, so you got quite the schedule to get back tomorrow.
Yeah, we have our flight at 4:30. After this, we're heading back to Tokyo because we're flying out into Narita.
Nobody's. Lucky runs his own series of events under the name Good Luck League that's trying to get drivers to undertake the aggressive style of driving found here in Japan. So as you guys know, and as many people who go for that type of driving, I asked him why he decided to go for that style over others.
All right, it's called Good Luck League. We're based out of Northern California. There's a track called Thunderhill. We do skid pad events, so we like set up the cones and do like chalk and all of that stuff. But we really focus on like doing like aggressive style driving. So that's why it's important for me to like come to Japan once in a while and grab inspiration and learn from like the best folks there are. So I can hopefully try to bring back that energy and that vibe to our events. I've been drifting for like 20 something years now. And like maybe it's more known in the US and maybe it's not, but like, you know, there's always like in any sort of hobby that you do, there's always different genres. So like you'll have like aggressive style driving, you'll have the type where it's like the car is a focus, so like they want it to be like really like nice looking, and it's, what's that quote, like it's a moving car show. So it really depends what you want to do, but like for me, ever since I started drifting, like it's always been about like the technique and like being the most aggressive that you can. So I mean, naturally, you know, Naoki came to Super D in the US in like 2016, and he came and like fucked everybody up. But I think 2016, at least for me, like that was a turning point for like a lot of us US drivers that like, okay, what we thought we were doing, we actually weren't. And you know, Naoki's proving a point here. Like he came and showed us like at our own track, like this is how it should actually be done. So I feel like a lot of people started branching out and like pushing their driving and like trying to learn the techniques that are here.
So then, if you're heading out to Kansai All-Stars, say hi to Ryota. If you're heading out to Super D, say hi to all of us that'll be there. And if you're curious about drifting in NorCal, head up to Good Luck League and say what up to Lucky. This day was a nice relaxing one with little to no problems outside of a cracked downpipe. Coming out with your car at all or all your parts intact is literally a godsend coming out of this castle of chaos. So that's the blue. Holy fucking shit. In simple terms, it was a good day, and we wish a good day upon those of you for watching this video of Thrash. And as usual, we will see you in the next video.